What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rocky here. Today we have a ton to talk about in the stock market. So before we go ahead and start this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you know when I upload, and let's go ahead and get started. Guys, the market fell down today, made a nice recovery off the lows at the S&P 500 580 mark, bounced all the way back to 585. But guys, we got to go ahead, take a look at stocks for tomorrow. So if you guys are ready, make sure to hit that like button and let's go. Guys, firstly, I want to do something a little bit different. Usually we go over like Tesla, Nvidia, all the top stocks, but first we're going to go ahead and open our $1,000 account challenge. Remember guys, we're going to be doing a 1K, $1,000 all the way to $100,000 account challenge. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys are with me for this one. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this updated. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my phone over here. Let's check this out, guys. Okay, let me go ahead and start recording right here. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, right now we're sitting at 1,075.72. We're up 7.11%, up $71.42. So looking great for this $1,000 account challenge, guys. Look at this. Okay, this is one step closer to that $100,000 mark. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. Okay, let me know if you guys are in this $1,000 account challenge. And guys, I want to showcase something in particular. So a lot of times in my comments, I always see that you guys are looking at limit orders. Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate a limit order, especially guys, I've been seeing a ton of comments on option limit orders, right? In this case, I'm going to go over stock limit orders. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So this one up 3.40% after hours. Let's go ahead and do a limit order. And guys, I'm going to go ahead swing $1,000 in cash on this stock. So let's go ahead and hit trade. We're not going to buy options on this 36-cent stock. We're going to go ahead and press buy. So I'm going to press buy, and you could see that there's a limit order on this already in the dollar amount. But I want to do shares, because if I do shares, I will be able to see the price that I'm going to buy at. So in this case, the market price is going to be 0.3618. Okay, and it says right here I have $1,075. So what I'm gonna do is put the amount equivalent to the number of shares I want to buy. Okay, so for example, let's go ahead and test out what happens when I put 3,000 shares. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so you could see that 3,000 shares gets me at an estimated cost of $1085.40. Okay, I obviously have 1075, so we can't do that, right? So we got to change our amount of shares right now. Okay, and this is a limit order, so it's going to limit to me at this market price as long as a seller is willing to sell to me, right? All right guys, let's go ahead and fill a limit order for 2,800 shares. Let's go ahead and press review, and let's go ahead and swipe up, guys. So this is going to be a limit order right here. As you could see, I just got filled on FCUV at 30 cents average price per share. Okay, now since you guys see I have 2,800 of 28 shares purchased. Okay, 2,800 shares purchased, total cost 1035.16. Okay, we're gonna press done, and you guys can see we took the shares. Now we go ahead, we have these shares at our limit order. All right guys, time to get into the stocks. We got ticker symbol TSLA. Guys, Tesla right now is sitting at $382. It is down a big 6% today, and also it is up $3 overnight. Guys, Tesla had some crazy news. Okay, they missed Q4 deliveries just by a little. That's why they went ahead, tanked 6% down today. Okay, the day started with Tesla up 1% pre-market, but as you could see, the numbers just hit. So at 6 a.m., right, the roller coaster went down, right? They're sitting at 382 right now. So we got to go ahead, take a look at Tesla, guys. The range for Tesla is going to be, if it goes below 370, we're going to go short on Tesla. Okay, if it breaks up towards the 410 levels, we can resume being bullish on Tesla. Guys, Tesla, take a look at this, down 20% the past week, basically wiping out almost a month's gains. Okay, so you guys got to be aware if you are trading Tesla. Take a look at this, it is up 54% in the past 3 months. For this one, just I would say be patient with this one. Okay, make sure you have a range you're looking off of on Tesla, or else you are basically going in blind. Okay, so Tesla's sitting at 382. Let's go ahead and make this one a winner. Okay, so it could go either way tomorrow depending which way it breaks. So for longing, look at above 410, and also for the downside, look between today's lows. So that is 370. Okay, guys, let's go to the next stock. All right, guys, next up is ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia is sitting at 139 right now. Take a look at this. Okay, this was wobbly. Okay, massive ups and downs in today's session for Nvidia. Take a look at this. Pre-market was up 1%, and then it just fell to 135, went back up all the way near that 140 level. Okay, so we rejected off 139 today. 139 is such a huge level for Nvidia because we have, I think, what's called a triple top. Okay, let's go ahead and see. I believe it's a triple top right now because of how much Nvidia has been going up and down. Yeah, take a look at this. We have a triple top at the 140 area, so this is going to be a big sign. That's why in the after hours you're going to see there's a top right here. So we need to break through that 139 level to push through 140. Okay, so that's going to be levels for Nvidia. The short levels are just below 134. So if it goes below 134, I would be cautious with Nvidia, but this one looks bullish also. And the next week, this is going to be looking fire to trade, guys. This is going to be a great setup. I can already see this. A triple top breakout is insane for Nvidia. So let's go ahead and move on to its sidekick, guys. All right, guys, we got ticker symbol AMD. This one hasn't moved like Nvidia. That's why in the previous videos, I was like, Nvidia is stronger than AMD right now. But nonetheless, it's still a great stock. So guys, AMD is sitting at 121.20. On the low end, it was down at 1.19.56. On the week, it is down 5% the past week. On the month, it is down 15% in the past month. Guys, AMD is setting out for a breakout in the next week. I'm going to be looking forward to trading Nvidia as well as AMD on the 1K account challenge next week. So also stay tuned next week. Okay, we got a lot of opportunity in the markets, guys. This is going to be incredible. On the 3-month, it is down 24%. This one looks great for a breakout next week, guys, but keep your eyes on AMD. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. Guys, next up, we got ticker symbol PLTR. Take a look at this one. Went down in pre-market after being up in the pre-market, man. Look at that. Okay, at the open, we're down 1.41%, recovered, and then took another beating right here at 2% down on the day. So this one sitting at 75, guys, a great buy range. Looking at Palantir's chart is going to be around that $68 to $70 mark. So I'm going to be eyeing that once it comes through. This one's sitting in a range between 70 and 80. So for me to take a trade on Palantir, I would go ahead and look at the buy zone, $68 and $70 on my charts. Guys, next up, we got ticker symbol AAPL. This one is down nearly 3% on the day on the low end. So this one hit the support. Okay, 242.17 was a support I marked down on my charts earlier. This one bounced off support, sitting at 244. This one could go even lower tomorrow. So I would want you guys to keep your eyes on Apple for a potential put play below 241. Looking for puts for Apple. Okay, guys, take a look at this. On the 3-month, it is up 8%, but it's just made its breakout to the downside. So I want you guys to be careful on Apple. We obviously been playing this to the upside. Let's go ahead and make a look to the downside, guys. This one's down 3% today. Be very cautious on Apple, okay? But it can reclaim its highs at 250 if it breaks through 246. So I want you guys to pay attention closely to that 246 level. Guys, next up, we have ticker symbol Meta. This one is back reclaiming 600, which is a great sign for Meta. This one is up 2.35% today, up 0.27% overnight. Take a look at the week. It's been taking a beating as well, down 1.5% in the past week. As long as it reclaims the 600 level, look for a potential upside to 610. This 600 level for Meta is a very important level. This one is where it draws in, okay, a ton of option value. So guys, keep your eyes on 600. If we don't claim above 600, we're going to see some downside for Meta. This level, once again, is very important for Meta. So keep your guys' eyes on the 600 level. Guys, by the way, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day for Unity software. Look at this one, up 9.17% today, up nearly 2% overnight. This one could potentially run a 30 if it goes ahead, breaks its high of 26.20. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time I go ahead and post. Guys, we have a new week up and coming ahead of us after this week. This one's gonna be big, okay? We're still going strong in the 1K challenge. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. Let me know down below if you have any comments, guys. I'm gonna get back to you. There's a lot of people been messaging my business email. I'm trying to get back to each and every one of you, okay? So there's a ton of people emailing me right now as I'm doing the video. So I'm gonna try my best to get through all of you guys. Good luck tomorrow, okay? I wish you guys good luck tomorrow. Coach out.